back to my YouTube channel Code with Prakash. So in this video I am going to show you the resume that got me shortlisted for MEESHO, so and also other companies too. So this might be a simple resume, but this got me to the shortlisted for those companies. So I just wanted to share you how the template should be. Okay, so this is my resume. So like similar to everyone, so firstly we will have the personal details. So see here, firstly my name is there, and after that place of living, and later on phone number, and your email address and LinkedIn profile, and if you have the GitHub and also other professional accounts like lead code hacker rank, you can also mention that. And coming to the education background, I think I have a good educational background, so I just mentioned this at the top of my resume. Okay, and later on I have mentioned my internships and experience, so you can also mention those. See, make sure that after mentioning the educational details, or else uh, before education you can mention the internships and experience if you have the good one. Okay, so later on I have included my projects. So these are the some of my projects which I have developed, and if you have more, or if you don't have internships and experience, you can only mention projects. Okay, so later on coming to my technical skills, I mentioned this. So I think I have the good technical skills, so programming languages and tools and frameworks and other soft skills. So later on this is the final section of certifications. Okay, so you can mention here. So this is my overall final resume. Okay, so this is my simple resume. uh, I think there are a lot of websites to do all this, and I personally suggest Overleaf to do this resume. I will mention this website in the description, so please do check it, and you can also do like this. Okay, so thank you.